The flower market is really the most refreshing way you can start your Sunday. Oh yes, that plant actually had no smell. Colombia Road Flower Market. It's a Sunday morning East London institution. They've come from all over the UK here. The flower sellers, they are the real heroes of this shop.
$16.99 ticket on them. 1, 2, 3, 4 stems.
2 for a $5. Modern market, cash or card.
See where he gets his name from now.
It's £50, I believe.
Yeah.
We're approaching the middle of the market right now. You can just smell all sorts of delicious, wonderful scents. The phytotoxins are swirling through my body right now. Oh, wow. A fig leaf, a rare, rare specimen. Look at that. 20 pounds. Some long-lasting chrysanthemum. I haven't seen that in quite a while. It's a family affair here. Ages of all sizes and types participate in the market. Oh, look at those peonies. Wonderful peonies. Got a pedestal up there. He's like a flower preacher. Hello.
Chili audio. Chili audio. 350 each or 3 there for a tenner. 350 or 3 for 10. Yes, mate.
Oh, grade A lilies. Wow. Look at that. Look at those colors. Delightful.
Lavender.
Wow.
Take you a pound in 1 second.
Okay.
That smells wonderful. Here we have the royal oak at the end of the road. A wonderful oak pump. Really the last of a dying breed here. Look at this. Oh, terrific. Terrific oak pump. The best part of the flower market is some of these side shops that you stumble into. Never know what you're gonna find inside. Little guys, who are these? Some Kenyan soft toys. Wow, those are incredible. Oh, look at this. Look at this. Rings. Got stuff from all around the world here. Look at that mask. That's an amazing mask. Wow. These are very nice belts. Are they belts or are they for...
Dog leads.
Oh, dog leads. Oh, wow. I love the patterns. Sustainable softwood crocodile masks. Interesting. Love it. Indian woven rugs. Stuff from all around the world here. This is like a little side offshoot market from the flower market. Down on the edge of Colombia Road, we've got antiques. Oh, wow, look at this. Great stuff right here. Give that a feel. So soft. Really good place for getting your mother a gift. Nice hats. The Lily Vanilli Bakery and Flower Market. This looks like a good place. The smells in this shop are incredible. Never really smelled something like this. Some vegan sausage rolls, great brownies, so creamy, friendly staff, vanillas. I've repressed a middle-aged mother of 3 that's woven deep inside my personal psychology, and it's coming out with a bang right now. And Keek Shops, flower sales. Stoned and plastered. Love the name. Awesome. Statuary. Very high quality of craftsmanship on display here. Good coloring. Wow, this guy's a true master. Very cool. I don't really know what to do right now. It's like all my wildest dreams are coming true at once. We're heading into one of my all-time favorite East London restaurants, an Italian spot that is just to die for, Campagna. Don't be fooled by that S. Jones. That's the name of the restaurant, right through there. Great, great, great pasta. But they also do a smashing brunch, especially on Sundays. Campagna is the place. The absolute place. It's over. That was a truly fantastic breakfast. I'm filled with venom and vigor and ready to go forward into the East London Sunday. Everything is just glistening in the sun. Could not have asked for a better afternoon. That was special. Thank you, folks. 2020, new decade. Subscribe.